Hey guys, this is an unboxing from Camille. The shipping is extremely fast. Seriously, I'm really excited about this package. She shipped it on the 15th and today is the 20th. 5-day shipping. Come on. 5 days. It's really good. I'm really happy about this. Thanks, Camille. And now, unbox it. I'm really excited about this package. It's my, if you guys don't know what this is my Force Cube. How am I supposed to... Oh, crap. Don't look at my mess. Don't look at my dress. I cut the paper too. Okay. So... this can go. And... this is nothing. And this is the Force Cube. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Holy yake. I'll leave this aside. And first things first, you just have to pop the bubbles first. Oh yeah. That's good. Okay, whatever. Wow. This is the logo, the F3 logo. There, you guys can see that. And yeah, she told me she put on CubeSmith, which is pretty good. Okay. First turns. Wow. So smooth. I just have to work in the lube a bit. There's still, it's the lube. I can feel it. I need to work it in. Wow. Let's get my Zanchi, my real Zanchi. Where is it? Zanchi. Oh, right here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. You guys, there's like the crispiness. This one's just smooth. Wow. Luke's going. Yeah. This one's like lighter, there's like airy. It's just like gliding on air, like the airy feel. This one is smooth, a smooth Zanchi. Okay, corner cutting. That's 45. It's probably the tension's a bit tight, but oh well. It does cut like that. Reverse cut. Yeah, it's probably the tension. Tension's a bit tight. But, oh well, doesn't matter. H-prim. Wow, I never could do an H-prim so fast. Like, so... it's not that fast, it was like... so... good, the H-prim would not do. Wow, this is awesome. Can't believe I'm holding a Force Cube right now. Wait, I'm gonna look at the pieces. Oh yeah, wow! If you guys can see that. Focus. The center cap. Oh, you guys can't really see. Because of the lighting, it's like not nearly 6 o'clock here. Yeah, the center cap just comes off. Wait, I'll try getting the piece out. Oh man, it won't come out. Let's try this side. No. Yeah, you guys can see it's thoroughly lubed. You guys see the glossy side? Glossy thing. It's lubed really well. Oh, it's also got that core. It's like different. It's like clear. Okay, I'll just end the video soon here, because I'll make a review and all that for this, and yeah, I'll also put the F3 logo on. I don't know how it looks, because it's black and white, but, oh, I don't really care. I can always change the black to white anyway, because I have extras, so yeah, I'll review on this, and yeah, thanks guys for watching. Thank you, Camille, so much. You're awesome. See ya.